So cool, science! If dolphins are mammals, why don't they have hair? Well, that's a wicked cool question, and I got a wicked cool answer because today we're diving into the ocean and we're gonna be splashing around with those masters of blasting air through their holes. Because today I've got a wicked cool demo that's gonna show you why those mammals don't necessarily need to have hair. You know, like those hairless cats, which honestly look like they're trying to audition to be a weenus. So, of course, the first thing we need is an Arctic Ocean, and since most of you probably don't live anywhere near one, we're gonna have to make one, which means you're gonna need to get yourself some ice. And no, the ice is not for putting down, people's backs. Unless you have extra. Start by getting yourself a container, and then fill the container halfway with ice. Go ahead and pour in some cold water. Get yourself some vegetable shortening. You're gonna entirely coat your other finger in vegetable shortening. Now you're gonna take your bare finger, and I'm not talking about a finger of a bear that you own either. I'm talking about your personal finger on your personal hand, and you're gonna dip your personal finger into some personal Arctic cold water. And now we're gonna take that vegetable coated finger and we're gonna drop that into the icy Arctic waters. Wow, man, now that's so friggin' wicked cool. When you put your bare finger into the water, you felt the icy chill. But when you put your coated finger into the water, you couldn't feel anything. Now that's so wicked cool. See right there, you put your coated finger right there in the water. It's like just like a marine mammal with one of the marine mammals in there and they go in the water. Why is it when you put your bare finger in, you feel the icy chill, but when you put the shortening cover finger in, you definitely feel nothing at all? And do marine mammals actually have hair? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. Marine mammals are any group of mammals that have evolved to live in aquatic environments, including the Cetaceans, toothed and baleen whales, Pin-nip-eds, like sea lions and walruses, the Sirenians, or manatees and dugongs, and the Fis-sip-eds, or sea otters and polar bears. A thick layer of blubber or dense fur act as a layer of insulation, helping them maintain their body temperature in cold waters, as well as streamlined bodies which minimize drag in the water and allow for a more efficient swim. They also have the ability to exchange high percentages of oxygen with each breath, store more oxygen in their bloodstream, as well as restrict blood flow to non-essential organs during dives. Since each marine mammal group evolved from a land mammalian ancestor, all marine mammals do have hair on their bodies, even if they're tiny, fine hairs. The marine mammal that can hold its breath the longest is the Cuvier-beaked whale, which can hold its breath for more than 3.5 hours. So now you know that marine mammals have hair. Being able to see how marine mammals are able to survive in freezing cold waters is why science is so chill.